Oh, you're gonna do fine.
I gotta pee.
All right, so let's race. We're at the racetrack in St. Louis. This is my home track, Gateway International. They have drifting going on, drag racing. Sometimes they have a bonfire. It's pretty cool. We brought the S10 out, so we'll get some nice super slow passes in it. Then we got Jonathan, our buddy from the Midwest, Burb Files chapter. This is his SS. We kind of have a grudge match since we're both going to be slow. Our point here tonight is to get a baseline on both of these trucks because we built them. I built this S10 for Power Tour, and I haven't touched it other than oil changes and stuff since then. It needs a few little things. It needs a converter, probably needs the tranny to be built. It needs a good tune. It needs a lot of stuff, but I wanted to see what it would run as it is, the way I've been driving it for a year and a half. So we'll see what we can run and what we can improve upon. And he's doing the same thing. He has a supercharger that he's going to put on and some other things during the winter. So he's trying to get baseline to go off of as well. That's our Burb Files crew from Midwest. Till next time, we'll have some racing videos and some other shit. Dude, we're going under the tunnel. How you doing?
I don't know.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna do fine.
I gotta pee.
All right, so let's race. You're gonna do just fine. All right, windows up.
Yep, windows gotta go up.
Let's go ahead and turn the radio off.
Oh, I'm already hot.
You're damn hot.
Alright, where's Mika?
She's out there, Mom. You know she is.
You got the GoPro on?
There. Okay, stop right here and he'll tell you when to go. He was looking at. Okay. So the water's right there. Go around it like I did the first pass.
Okay.
Since you don't want to do burnout. And that's fine, you don't need to.
Because I don't have track tires, right?
Right. Good job. We gotta wait until he gets off the track. They gotta make sure he's fine. Okay. They're waving you forward. Alright, so go forward. Alright. See that black box? Alright, get in the center of the lane. Stop. See that black box? Alright, so creep it slow. Good. Stop it, give it a little stall. Go! We're going!
We're doing this!
Oh my god, we're going! Ah! We're going! Ah! Yes! What'd you think?
I don't know!
Oh!
Shit.
Alright, so it's right down there. You see the barricade, you're gonna see him turn off. You just gotta follow him out. And that was your first pass.
That was my first run!
Oh my god, what did you think?
I don't know. Let's do it again.
I think we've got a power junkie in our hands.
Possibly.
Yes.
It's hot though.
shit good.
Alright, now where do I go? I can't see.
Just follow him. Alright, so you got these barricades right up here. You see that stop sign? Man, I don't know. People usually stop, people usually don't, but you're obviously not going to stop, so let's just keep going.
I don't stop. Oh, there's the police.
No, you don't stop.
There's police.
You don't stop for police, neither.
Happens.
You're out of control. You're a rebel.
So rebellious. Rebellious.
You're rebelous.
Rebellious.
Rebelous.
Oh, I have to go 15 miles an hour, right?
That's what they keep telling us. But things happen. Just follow that. Just follow that car in front of us. So we're here, and you can split left and go to the parking lot if you want, but take the right. Take the right and go to the time slips. And drive in front of everybody and wave.
There ain't nobody in the stick.
It is kind of late. Everybody's really leaving.
Oh, it is really midnight, isn't it?
Yep. You're fine, just go.
Well, I was trying to see sister. Hi, baby.
I missed her.
That's alright.
You stop right here and get your time slip.
Thank you.
How is it? You're the left lane.
15.7.
1571. She's beautiful, but she lacks horsepower, so we'll fix that.
2004, the right-hand lane, a 1230 in the AAA Church left-hand lane.
Here comes Shannon in the SS. First run of the night.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are the Gateway Girls for the 10 o'clock t-shirt toss going on the return road. Give it up.
14:32:96. We got Jonathan coming up. SS. Scrubbing the tires off.
If you want t-shirts, stick up those hands and make some noise for the t-shirt toss.
A1.
Hey guys, little update from last night. We went to the track in St. Louis, Gateway International, our home track. Had some fun, did good. The truck stayed together, was super slow as I thought it would be. About 14-second pass was my quickest pass, 14:32. But it gave me the baseline I wanted. Have an idea what it'll do now in its first form, so we'll get some stuff going for the winter. Converter might have the tranny built, might just put the converter in, I don't know, we'll see how money and time allows, but it needs some more go fast parts, that's for sure. We'll do a converter and a tune, finish a tune on it and see where we're at there. Then I do have a small nitrous kit that we will probably throw on and see what that does too. I think we only got one video of it running. Had a camera malfunction the last run and some malfunctions with the truck the last run. It was pretty ugly, so I'm kind of glad it didn't get recorded anyway. We'll get everything straightened out and we'll be back at the track next year. There's a couple days left in the year at the track, but I won't have time to do anything to the truck before those come and go. So next year is what we're hopeful for. Have some go fast installs this winter, and we'll see where it lands after that. But you'll see it on an episode of Burb Files.